It's 31 degrees. It's 30. I have to work outside for a second, but then I'm going indoors all day. One second. All right, I got all the images I need. I'm good to go. I'm going inside. The rest of the day is me kind of running around the city, doing a bunch of stuff. I've got clients and whatnot. I have to go to the gym first. I've been trying to go to the gym every day because now that's getting colder, I don't really want to run outside. I'm trying to keep up with the running, but if I'm not going to be able to do that, I'm going to go to the gym. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I just finished up at the gym, solid hour, really great. Very thankful that I was able to do that. Get some nice exercise in, makes me feel, I just feel better. I feel better going into the day. But I realized that my barber just opened up his new shop like 5 minutes down the road, and I'm in desperate need of a haircut. It's really bad. I'm a little embarrassed with my hat hair, but I'm gonna keep it in the vlog. Can't be successful if you don't embarrass yourself on the internet. I turned around really quick because there's something I want to show you guys. So, I'm not really sure why I feel this way, but I have always wanted to buy this building and convert it into a studio or a house. It's an old gas station. It used to be like bright yellow. There's actually, I don't know if you can see it. Yep, the gas sign is still here. It used to be yellow. They painted it like a year ago, which is kind of upsetting because it leads me to believe that they're gonna do something with it. But I've always loved this little place. Hold on, I'm gonna get out and get a better angle. I don't know, there's just something about this place. I would not mind calling this home, especially if I was traveling a lot and this was my home base. Wouldn't have to hang out here during the 29-degree weather that's happening today, but I could come home in the summer and be here and just enjoy Cleveland, and it's really cool. I could see it. It may sound really weird, but I could see it. It's been about 2 months since I've gotten my hair cut because my barber was kind of floating around in between places while he was getting the shop set up. They just signed a lease. I'm super pumped for them. I love supporting people that take risks, and they are really taking a risk with this place. But I'm excited about it, and I'm very, very thankful I'm getting my haircut. It's been about 2 months. It's about time. It's been a little too long. How are you, sir? My favorite thing in the world is to be surrounded by people who are way cooler than me. I'm just some nerd. I love it. My life is awesome. Hi, friend. This is the best part of the West Side Market and also the most touristy part of the West Side Market. Oh, I see you.
You know what I be doing?
Sometimes I just walk around holding this, hoping I think of things to talk about. I never... I'm glad I was recording. All right, I have to meet a client at the coffee shop at the top of my street to get a hard drive because I have an editing gig and I need to pick up footage. I like long days like this. I really enjoy being like honed in and focused, but I also really enjoy being at home and editing, especially on cold days like today. I like being inside in the cold. Winter is when I hang out inside. It's 5:30, it's already dark. Craziness. Whenever people stare at me because I'm holding this gigantic camera in my hand and talking to myself, I always stare at them right back. Don't judge me, I judge you. It is about 6:30. I left the house at 8:30 this morning, so about 10-hour day. Got a lot accomplished, very focused, very productive day, but that's it. I'm gonna do some editing, probably hang out a little bit, wait for Lauren to get home from work, but that's it. I will see you guys on Friday.